Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor. Today in this video, I'm going to show on how to merge audio and video in CapCut using your mobile device. So let's get started. First, open your CapCut app on your mobile device. Then choose a project that you working on. At the bottom, tap the audio icon. Then tap the extract icon. Now, choose your audio or video. After that, at the upper right side corner, export your project to merge audio and video. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please do follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.